Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas, and this is June the 7th on a Wednesday. And taking a look at the markets, you're starting to see catch up. I mentioned this a couple of days ago in the IWM, IM, and TNA. Big move yesterday in the small cap stocks. So the small caps are kind of playing some catch up, not quite the move. We didn't see much in the Qs and the SPYs yesterday. So we'll see if that continues today. So you might want to keep your eyes on some small caps out there. A couple of ones that I'm currently in, this LAZR, I think you still have to watch it. It is gapping up today. I mentioned yesterday that that's gap fill right here, which is 775, not too much of a move, but remember, these are swing trading ideas, guys. Uh, ENPH, and I mentioned this one back over here as a possible bottom fishing candidate. Well, it's battling with the 50 now. I think if it takes out this 2-day high, this is where I may add to my position if it takes out that 2-day high right there in ENPH. CSIQ, I like the way this one has pulled back to its 50, put in kind of a bounce off that 50 and then a little inside a spinning top. Watch for a takeout above that double high. So looking for either setups or pullback opportunities, not looking to chase right now any momentum. Let's see if there's anything else. KAR, I think you got to watch this one. This one is, if you look at the longer term, boy, above this uh, huge pivot level, huge resistance level around the 50, let's call it the 15,070 level. Keep a, put your price alert there and watch that one for sure. All right, there's a lot more on my swing trading watch list. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.